guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new video. Hope you all are doing good. In this video I am showing the party makeup look you can do yourself. So let's begin the video. I'm filling my eyebrows first so that I can do the eye makeup. I'm using the brow kit from the brand Makeup Revolution and filled my eyebrows. I'm using the concealer a little bit and giving the perfect shape to the eyebrows. I have already applied the concealer on my eyes as a base and blending it. I have taken the light brown shade from the palette Morphe and applying it to my crease area. I will also be applying the same shade to the outer corner of the eyes. The brush I am using here is a brush from the brand Pro Arte. This brush is not fluffy like a blending brush. I am using this brush to pat the color on my crease area and also on the outer corner of my area. After this I will be using a eyeshadow blending brush and I will be blending the crease area. Also by giving a shape to the outer corner of my eyes. You can take your own time to blend the eyeshadow. As you can see, I'm blending the crease area and also taking that color to the inner part of my eyes. The inner part of the eyes should be lighter than the middle and outer corner of the eyes. After this, I will be using the big fluffy brush to blend the eyeshadow more. The big fluffy brush will be useful for blending the crease area flawlessly. Now I am taking the dark brown shade to apply it to the outer corner of my eyes and also to give the depth to the outer corner of my eyes. I will be applying that dark brown shade to the outer corner of my eyes and also a little to my crease area so that it gives a nice depth to my crease area also. You can see I'm not applying the dark brown shade to the crease. I'm applying that shade just little below my crease area. Now I have taken the brown shimmer shade from the palette Makeup Revolution and applying it to the inner corner of my eyes. I will be filling the shimmer shade to the 3/4 area of my eyes. You only have to apply the shimmer shade to the inner corner of my eyes and to the middle part of the eyes, not to the outer corner of the eyes. Always remember, inner part and the middle part of the eye should be the shimmer shade and the outer corner of the eye it should be matte shade and also the crease should be matte shade. You cannot use the shimmer shade in the crease and outer corner of the eyes. Here I'm applying the bronze shimmer shade from the brand Color Essence to give that extra glittery look to my eyes. If you want that extra sparkle in your eyeshadow, you can use this shimmer shade or else you can skip this one. I am drawing the wing eyeliner by using the Maybelline eyeliner. I applied the kajal in my waterline. I have applied the light brown color to my lower lash line and blended it. I'm wearing a sequence top since this is a party makeup look. Also, I have curled my hair. This is the final look. I hope you all like this look. If you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment box. See you in the next video. Bye.